Let's go ahead and dive into the item for this walkthrough. Your STEM is: a company is migrating its on-premises application to Amazon Web Services and refactoring its design. The design will consist of front-end Amazon EC2 instances that receive requests, back-end EC2 instances that process the requests, and a message queuing service to address decoupling the application. The solutions architect has been informed that a key aspect of the application is that requests are processed in the order which they are received. Which AWS service should the solutions architect use to decouple the application? The question is asking you to find the service that should be recommended to decouple this application. That should tell you that you need to understand the application requirements to find the best solution out of the responses. According to the design, the architecture will consist of front-end instances that receive requests and back-end instances that process requests. And a requirement of the solution is that message ordering be maintained. The ask is for you to choose a message queuing service to handle decoupling the application and meet the requirements. And remember, you're looking for the best response to select as your key. The responses are: A, Amazon Simple Queue Service, Standard Queue; B, Amazon Simple Notification Service; C, Amazon Simple Queue Service, FIFO Queue; and D, Amazon Kinesis. I'll now give you some time to evaluate the responses yourself. If you want more time, you have until the count of 1 to pause. 3, 2, and 1. Starting with A, the SQS Standard Queue. This actually sounds really good. The queue would handle the message persistence, and the front and back-end instances would be able to put and pull from the queue as needed. The issue with this response is that it doesn't meet the message ordering requirements stated in the STEM. I'll mark A as a distractor. Moving on, response B proposes the use of SNS to handle the queuing need. While yes, this could handle the messages getting from one layer to the next, there are a few things that make this a lacking solution when compared to the SQS Standard Queue. The first that comes to mind is that SNS does not guarantee message delivery. The second is that SNS does not ensure message ordering. And the third issue with this solution, and this is the main one for me, is that SNS is not a queue and does not have message persistence. If a message is sent, and even if it is delivered in the proper order, the instance could go down and the message would be lost. There are many other reasons why this doesn't fit as a solution, but let's go ahead and mark it as incorrect and move on. Response C suggests SQS again, but this time it recommends the use of the FIFO, or first in, first out queue. This is great for all of the reasons that the standard queue was originally an attractive choice, but it also meets the requirement of maintaining message ordering. So far, this is my leading contender. The last response, D, recommends the use of Amazon Kinesis. While Kinesis is great for collecting, processing, and analyzing data, it is better suited for ingesting streaming real-time data. As a decoupling component for the presented use case here, the cost and implementation of it would not be as ideal as the SQS FIFO queue. So it looks like the key for this question is C, Amazon SQS FIFO queue. All right, that's it from me for now. See you soon.